I'm Kentucky Lightning, and today we're going to learn our first tip of how to stay cool in the summer. We're going to make sweet tea. Hey, that was awesome. I've worked up a good sweat. I got food for sweat. I just got sweat. Because it's real hot, I start seeing shit. Like I see a mirage. Now, every time I see those, it makes me real thirsty, and I go towards it. So I'm like, oh, I want to go swimming. And I get towards that mirage, and it's a goddamn mirage. I have hair like mine, which is a gift from God, and I say thank you every day for it. Oh. There's 8 pounds of goodness in there, and it is contained, locked in. First thing we're going to do for our sweet tea is we're going to add a secret ingredient. Alright, so the second ingredient is sugar. They used to call me that in juvie. Sugar tips. Like, no big deal, the neighbors don't mind. I like mine a tad sweeter. If you want to do a little bit sweeter, go ahead and up the ante. So just a little bit. Run it out. So if I took my tongue like that and put it alongside of here, I would get granules on my tongue. So that tells me that needs to go in. It's like catching rain on your tongue. It's good. Now, I consider myself like a Native American. I don't not use anything. I use everything. Just like they did in Buffalo. You think they couldn't use an eyeball? They did. They stuck it on the end of a goddamn stick, put in the fire, and made a goddamn marshmallow eyeball out of it. Like a s'mores eyeball. Hey! 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 See, there will be a Kleenex in there after that, and you do not need to ask questions. But since I've been drinking this, I've been nothing but stellar, fascinatingly handsome. See, I don't know if you've seen these. All mine. Well, most of them. I got one that's mine. But nonetheless, they used to be made out of tree bark. And ever since I've been working with my sweet tea, they've turned into brilliant white spectacles that you see right before here. So, take off a bit of it so it gets in your gum quicker. It's like a boost. It's like a juice boost. Oh, tonight, I don't want to brag about it, but I have the Spice Girls coming over. Just this. They're going to be shot out of a rocket from 1990 into here. So what we're going to do is you want to take it, get a good grip on it like that. It's kind of like you're spooning somebody at night. You just kind of lean into it like that, put your arm over, get under their boob like you do, or I do. Take what I can. You don't need that, and you don't need that. Which leaves you with just a real clean looking glass of paper. That's good. I'm gonna put in you. I'm gonna make love to you. I'm gonna get in there.